Today we are going to do a review lesson to start us off is on the order of operations. Probably in the past you've heard it called PEMDAS or GEMDAS. We're going to do GEMDAS, grouping, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Order of operations. Let's put a definition. Alright, so simplifying an expression using a specific order. Absolute value, the distance from 0 to a number on a number line. So I would press pause right here and write those two definitions down to have in your notes. While we're doing notes, you should always have out your notebook, just some notebook paper, and be writing down examples and vocabulary so that when you are doing independent work later, you can refer back to those. All right? So absolute value. The absolute value of negative 13 is 13 because on a number line, negative 13 is 13 units away from the 0. So here, number 2, the absolute value of 21 is 21. Number 3, I can move up. The absolute value of 3 is 3, plus the absolute value of negative 5 is 5, which is 8. All right? 9 plus 8, 17. 12 plus 15, 27. Now, when both numbers are inside the absolute value bars, you're going to go ahead and say, okay, 21 minus 17 is 4, and then the absolute value of positive 4 is 4. All right. Now, 15 minus 23 is going to give us a negative 8, but it's all inside the absolute value bar, so the absolute value of negative 8 is positive 8. All right. So there we have done the absolute value examples. Write those down. If you have any questions at all during notes or during independent practice, you should take a screenshot and email that to me or send it to me through Canvas, and I can help you a lot faster if you show me the exact problem you're working on. Now we're going to do order of operations. We're going to use the GEMDAS. So we're working within the grouping symbols first and then moving to exponents. So we're going to have Now, again, this is review. When we look at number 14, we are going to first complete what's in the numerator and then what is in the denominator, and then we will simplify. So, Let me talk about what's just happened here. So I did 4 squared to get my 16. I did -8 divided by 2 to get my -4. Okay. Down here, I got 7 times 2. Now, when I get to this numerator, I'm going to go ahead and do 2 times 16, which is 32, minus 4 to leave me with 28. Okay? From here, you're going to do 28 divided by 14, and you get 2. All right. We're going to work out all of our parentheses and grouping symbols. Absolute value bars are considered a grouping symbol. So, oh, made a little mistake. That is 3 cubed, not 3 squared. Now, what's going to happen next is I'm going to say 27 minus positive 39, because it was the absolute value, divided by 3. I'm going to do negative 39 divided by 3. So that is 27 minus 13, which is 14. All right, to walk you through that, 5 squared is 25. That means 5 times 5. 4 cubed is going to be 4 times 4 times 4, and that gives us negative 64. I just brought down the subtraction sign here. You have a negative here and here, but at first I want you to worry about negative, the absolute value of negative 39, which is 39. This sign just gets brought down, okay? And when you're to this step, you always want to do division before you do the 27, subtract. All right? 16. On this part right here, I've got 9 plus 25. Excuse me, 9 plus 16. I was like, that doesn't look right. 9 plus 16, that's where I came up with the minus 25. All right, please have all this written in your notes. You will have some independent work coming up next.